After making well over $300,000 in just over the last year with Builderall and ClickFunnels, I've decided to stop using both of them. And in this video, I'm going to explain exactly why and what I've decided to use instead. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to jump on video and just explain a few things. People watching this channel will probably know that I have been the #1 affiliate for Builderall for over the last year. I've made well over $200,000 in commissions. It's kind of been my life for over a year. I also started to use ClickFunnels as well recently and made over $100,000 in sales from that. But recently I've decided to stop using both of them. And in this video, I'm going to explain exactly why I've decided to stop using both of them and also what I'm using instead now to run my business and make money online. Now, before I explain everything, I just want to make it clear that I'm not here to throw shade at anyone or any other platform out there. That's not who I am. That's not what I'm about. That's not the kind of marketer that I am. But I just wanted to sit down and record a video just to be honest with people that follow me on this channel, kind of to explain everything, because people have been asking questions. So I want to explain the reasons why I'm no longer using Builderall and I'm no longer using ClickFunnels as well, and what I'm doing instead. I just want to be honest with you basically. So starting with Builderall. Builderall is the platform which I've promoted and which I've used for the majority of the time. And honestly, it still fills a gap. It's still got a role in the market because it is a low priced kind of entry-level tool for people that want to get into making money online. There's a few issues which I've come across, which is why I've decided to move from it. But still want to make it clear that I'm not saying that Builderall is the worst tool in the world and this is why I've moved over. I'm saying it still works. It still does its job to a certain extent. But there's certain things which I need to do and I know some other people need to do, which it just doesn't quite do that well, to be honest. And I know that it has come so far even in just in the last year. They've updated a lot of the tools and have made them better. But that's probably another reason why I've decided just to quit it all totally, because even though they have done so many updates, some of the original things and the issues just aren't solved. And honestly, I know it's because they're trying to do too many things at once and they keep introducing new tools when the original tools aren't quite up to scratch and they're not like industry standard. So they've got a Facebook chatbot and they've got all of these other tools, email marketing and a sales funnel builder, and they're using the Canvas and they've got all these other little apps and tools. But because they keep bringing out new tools, they're not focusing on what's important. And I would probably think that almost all users on Builderall probably use like 20% of their tools and they don't bother with the other 80%, like the presentation builder and the app builder and all these things, mainly because they don't really work as well as they should do, but also because most people don't need access to all of those tools at once. They just want core tools, like you just want a good sales funnel builder or website builder, you want a good email marketing platform and maybe a couple of other tools included. And I think that's personally where Builderall should focus their time rather than adding in, like they've just introduced a WordPress where you can use WordPress, like your own WordPress site with inside Builderall, which sounds amazing, but that doesn't connect with any of the other apps inside Builderall. It's a completely standalone app. And that's the other thing. All of their apps, they're all standalone, so they don't connect with each other. So if you're trying to connect two things, they don't recognize each other because they were built completely separately. So when I was trying things, I run into a lot of issues, which meant that I had to start using other apps and other things like email marketing software to achieve what I needed to achieve, which kind of defeats the point of being the all-in-one platform. So that was kind of the reason why I decided to look elsewhere. And also another thing as well is that they recently relaunched Builderall 3.0. And they overhauled the affiliate program, which you'll know if you watch this channel, I promoted quite a lot. Turned into this point-based system with 3 levels, and it just felt super confusing to everyone involved, confusing to me, but it also felt a little bit too multi-level marketing, and it kind of just put me off a little bit. And I kind of didn't like the direction in which they were going. And I mean, I've got nothing against multi-level marketing, but I just didn't want to be involved with that kind of setup where it's more about managing people rather than actually marketing. So I started to look elsewhere, and kind of in the meantime of that, I moved on to ClickFunnels to launch my own products because it just did the job better than Builderall, because I needed to have like proper upsells and things, and I needed to have an affiliate program, and that's kind of what ClickFunnels offered. So I moved over to ClickFunnels, but again, I've stopped using ClickFunnels as well recently. I'm going to tell you exactly why and what I'm using instead in a moment. But when I was using ClickFunnels, I made over $100,000 in sales from my course using ClickFunnels, which was amazing. But I run into so many bugs and so many issues, and their affiliate program had loads of bugs in it, and that didn't really work very well. And I had to pay $297 per month to have access to this, and I expected it to do the job a lot better than it did for that price. And in addition to that, because it's not an all-in-one platform, it doesn't include any other tools. So you then still have to go and pay for email marketing software and any other tools that you need. So the price continues to grow and grow and grow, and it just doesn't do the job like you would want it to do. So I just decided to kind of put up with those issues and kind of just pay the extra money for the extra apps and the extra programs that I needed to integrate with them. And then till recently, like a few months ago, I started to see a lot of people, mainly in the ClickFunnels group, like big 6 and 7 figure people and marketers moving over to another platform, which piqued my interest. And this platform is Kartra, which is the platform which I've decided to move over to. And if you don't know, Kartra is almost like Builderall in a way, because it's an all-in-one marketing platform. It doesn't have as many of the tools, like the unnecessary tools that Builderall has. It's got like a few core tools that you need to run a business. But in my opinion, it just does them at a complete next level compared to Builderall and compared to ClickFunnels. The things that you can do inside Kartra is amazing. I'm going to jump on my computer in a minute and show you why Kartra is so amazing and why I've decided to cancel both Builderall and ClickFunnels and move over to it. But if you are interested in a trial for Kartra, they've got a $1 trial for 14 days. There's a link in the description, and I'm giving away some epic bonuses as well. So just click the link below, check it out, and you will be blown away, honestly. I just want to share this with as many people as I can, because it doesn't have to be as hard as it is to kind of make things work and make money online, because there is a platform out there, which is why I moved everything over to Kartra. So I'm going to jump on the computer now, and I'm going to show you everything that it does, and it is absolutely amazing. So I'm just on my computer now. I just want to show you, give you a quick overview of what's inside Kartra, just to show you the reasons why I've decided to quit both of Builderall and ClickFunnels. And when I show you this, you will realize exactly why. Now, this isn't going to be an in-depth review, but I just want to give you a quick overview of what's inside. And there's something epic which I want to show you in just one moment, so keep watching. So they've got Kartra checkout, so you can sell products and do upsells, one-click upsells, all that kind of thing. Kartra pages, which is like the landing page sales funnel like builder. They've got Kartra leads, which means you can actually tag people and organize them, which is like a CRM, if you know what that is. This is all included. Kartra funnels and campaigns. So as I said, you can build out funnels with upsells, downsells. Kartra mail, which I've seen a lot of people using Kartra mail because their deliverability is amazing, but the automations that you can do with the tagging, and it's unbelievable. Honestly, you just need to get a trial, a $1 trial using my link below, and just go and have a look inside the dashboard here and just take a look at all of these different things that they've got in here and how it all works. And if you click the link below, I've got over $3,000 worth of bonuses that I'm giving away for anyone that joins with my affiliate link, just so you know. You can build membership sites as well. It's got Kartra videos, which is amazing. So you could host videos inside Kartra, but that's not it. What you can also do is depending on how far someone watches a video, so say you show a webinar, which you've hosted inside Kartra, like a pre-recorded webinar, if someone gets to near the end, Kartra knows that person has got to near the end, and because it's all connected to the email marketing software and it's all integrated, it can send them a specific email. So if they did get to the end, you could send them an email with an offer on. If they didn't watch it halfway through, you can send them a different email to say you've not finished watching it. So the automation and the tagging capabilities with Kartra is amazing, which is one of the main reasons why I decided to jump in. You can have a Kartra help desk, like a ticketing help desk, like support chat on your websites and funnels. It's got Kartra calendars, which you can book in coaching calls and things like that, all integrated. It's got forms there, and it's also got Kartra affiliate program, which means you can host your own affiliate program inside Kartra for no additional cost. With ClickFunnels, they've got that, but you have to pay the $297 plan, and it doesn't do a very good job. So you have people who are paying for a lot of other softwares now to kind of do that job, but Kartra's got an insane affiliate program that you can use to promote your own affiliate products inside Kartra. But the one thing I want to show before I dive off, because this is amazing. So with Kartra, they have done for you campaigns, which is basically a done for you sales funnel. But it's not the same as a shared funnel that you would get in ClickFunnels or in Builderall. These are fully complete, done for you sales funnels, complete with all of like the landing pages with the copywriting written by copywriters, experts. But it's also got connected, the email swipes are already connected with everything set up of what time they're going to go out. The upsells are all connected, the products are all connected, and all you need to go in is just tweak it with your product or your service or whatever you want to offer, and everything else is already connected because all of the apps work together in unison. And they've got so many different ones here, like a membership campaign, 4-day cash machine. So this is one that I tested to promote my course. You might receive some emails about this. I made over $10,000 in sales just by using this campaign, which was created by Frank Kern, the massive marketer, if you know who he is. So he's created this 4-day cash machine sales funnel inside Kartra, and you can use it. All you do is click one button, import it, and it takes all of the emails, all of the pages, all of the upsells already connected into your platform. Frank Kern's book funnel there. You can do e-commerce, digital agency, list builders, lead magnets. It's all there, and it's amazing. And there's so many other things you can do inside Kartra, but I'm going to save that for another video where I do a full overview. But honestly, I urge you to check it out. Just try it for a $1 trial and you will not look back. It's a whole new world from what I was used to with the other platforms, which is why I've decided to go all in with it, move everything over to it, and use it to run my business and make money online. So as I said, if you're interested in giving it a go, check out the trial below. Check out my bonuses, and there's some, I'm not going to tell you what the bonuses are, but there's some epic bonuses down there, which you will not believe I'm giving away just for you to use my link. But check it out. Thank you for watching. I hope you understand the reasons why I've decided to leave Builderall and stop using ClickFunnels. If you agree with that, let me know in the comments below what you think of Kartra if you give it a try. And thank you for watching. Until next time, cheers guys.